going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget, this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And stocks and cryptos were slightly up yesterday. Right now, as this hour, we are pulling back a little. All eyes will be on the Fed over the next 2 days. And we know they tried to price in this rate hike. So, guys, we're going to have pumps and dumps in the stock market and in cryptos while these rates are rising. We're not going to go straight down. We're still going to have the pumps and dumps. I just need for you to understand that. Don't allow a dip to scare you. But this is a trader's dream right now, and it's going to be like this over the next 2 to 3 years. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual yield rates. They have been pushing them down slightly. As we can see, the stock market is probably opened up slightly up. And then also, guys, we have volume, tether, USDC. Of course, we have the Fed. Make sure you're looking at that repo. They pulled back yesterday. Now we have the SEC doubles down on crypto regulation by expanding the unit. And we know why they're expanding, because they're getting ready for the 4th Industrial Revolution. And eventually blockchain is going to run the SEC. Blockchain is going to replace the politicians. Blockchain is going to replace voting. We know it's coming down the road. Yes, it takes time, but it's definitely going to happen. We know Gary Gensler and Janet Yellen are the NWO chess pieces to land us in the 4th Industrial Revolution. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. They moved up slightly, about $200 million. But remember, guys, they moved lockstep with the Fed. They have not made any news since last November. And that's when the Fed started shrinking the market. So all you have to do is go back. Always mark your dates when you see the manipulation, so therefore you can follow it, and it's an easy way to make money. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Mark Cuban proposes using Dogecoin to solve Twitter crypto ad problem using Doge as collateral. So, guys, in order to have free speech on a public platform, You need to put up money. So we clearly see where this is going. There's not going to be any more such thing as free speech. And we know they can block these spam bots tomorrow if they wanted to. Remember, guys, they create the problem. Wait for the reaction and run in with the solution. And you will never love the solution the NWO has for you. But I've seen ads run on all platforms, but guys, somebody has to be paying for them. And I've seen them constantly ran. That means thousands of dollars were spent. So we clearly know money would not stop these spam ads, the spam advertisement, the comments, because these platforms are not going to let you advertise for free. We know better, guys. Now we have Van Eck enters the metaverse with the launch of NFT collection. Also, we have CI Global and Galaxy Digital expand ETF suite with blockchain and metaverse companies. And we know that is on the Toronto Exchange. Now we have Argentina's largest two banks to allow crypto trading. And we know the banks and exchanges make money how? The fees. Now we have Andreessen, my guy, commits $500 million for Indian startups. And guys, we clearly see Coinbase in India. And who funded Coinbase from the beginning? That's right, Andreessen. The only thing you have to do is follow the money. Now we have Rhode Island proposes a crypto rewards for green home builders. And guys, we know it's all about the carbon footprint, getting us over to clean energy, where we should have been in the first place. But remember, they made trillions of dollars with the actual oil economy, and now they're going to make trillions of dollars moving us over to clean energy. Now we have a Hawaii Senate committee favored task force to regulate crypto and blockchain. And guys, remember, crypto and blockchain, this is a global agenda. That's where everybody's moving over. I don't care what country, what state you go to, the digital economy is global. Now we have Weiss rating issues, a warning over crypto mortgage risk. And guys, we know that's all about the Hegelian dialectic. We know all mortgages are going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. But when the NWO is moving their agenda, they always use the negative energy in order to push their agenda. Now we have Algorand becomes the first U.S. blockchain sponsor of FIFA World Cup. And we know if the people can see it, they will believe it. They use the actors, actresses, athletes, politicians to move their agenda. And then lastly, guys, we have the Indian Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issued a new directive that crypto exchanges and VPN providers must store information for 5 years. And we see the NWO fingerprints all over in India. They want to take all privacy away. You're talking about storing information from a VPN, which is amazing. You cannot make this stuff up. Remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. Powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.